Hi guys, welcome to my first programming YouTube video and where I intend to document my journey learning Rust. And for this I intend to make a series of videos that I'm going to be calling, Rusting Bitcoin. The Rust part comes from the Rust programming language, and the Bitcoin part is just something that I chose to keep myself motivated or to have as a goal and work towards throughout the videos. Hopefully that is of interest to you as well. And for this video I decided to make a quick setup guide or installation guide showing what I'm going to be using throughout the rest of the videos. Quick parenthesis though, if you are a complete beginner into programming, this might not be the series for you, since I'm not going to be covering all the programming basics. However, I am going to make my best attempt at keep the videos progressing. So I'm not going to dump all the Rust concepts in one go. I'm learning myself as well, so as I keep learning them, I'm going to start introducing them in the videos, hopefully. So if you're into that or that works for you, you're more than welcome to keep watching. And without making the introduction any longer, we can get to the installation. There is this site, which is the Rust language site, where you can find the install tools. Let's try to follow that link. We can open it up. There you see it opened 3 times. It's going to suggest you maybe your proper executable or installer. In my case, it's the 64-bit. I do have it already installed, but you go ahead, download it. Once it's complete, you launch the executable, and from here it's pretty straightforward. We're going to select the default installation. It's going to be more than enough for us, and select one, enter. For me, it's already installed, but you should still get a message that the installation has completed successfully. And now, to make sure that it actually works, we can come back to a new terminal. Yeah, and you should probably launch a new one as well. You can verify, but by doing Rust C version, you should see a printout there on the screen. That means we're good to go. And now for the VS Code setup, there's a couple of plugins from VS Code that I have. The first one is Code LLDV, which is the debugger. And then the second one is Rust Analyzer, which has support for the language itself. Those two I have on my VS Code setup. And with that completed, we can actually get into a first try run now of Rust. We can get started with a Hello World program. And for this, we're going to use a tool called Cargo that comes with Rust, and this is a package manager. And a package is how we group or organize crates. In Rust, a crate is the smallest unit of code that can be compiled, right? And let's get to it now so we can see an example. First of all, we're going to invoke the tool Cargo, and then new Hello World. This is basically going to create a package for us, or a folder. We can see here Hello World, and then we have a source folder, a target folder, and a cargo.toml file, which has the configurations for the package. For now, this is all we need, and we can get right to the source folder. In here we have the main.rs file, where a print function has already been provided with the Hello World. Now, since this is a compiled language, basically it has to be compiled before it can be run. But for us, we can luckily use the tool. So we go into the package folder. Now, once we're in there, we can invoke Cargo run directly, and it'll do both things for us. It'll compile it and then run it. So we go ahead and run it. And there you go, Hello World. We have the output or the executable that gets placed in the target debug hello world.exe. And just to make sure, we can try once again. Hello world. Hello there. This is a clueless developer, right? Because we are figuring stuff out. We don't know everything. Hopefully we learn along the way. And there you go. Hello, this is a clueless developer. That's it for this video. I think I covered everything that I wanted to cover. Hopefully this guide is useful to you. And until the next video then.